my name is Nolan and welcome to TK Bros. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a mixed meal. Let's get straight to it. So a mixed meal is a little thing that I made up. Someone probably made it first, but I just thought of the idea. So you actually don't need anything. I just like having a source of veggie, meat, and carbs. Yeah, you really don't need any specific ingredients. I like leftovers, so I took some leftover stir fry because that has meat in it. I have some rice. Rice always goes good with it. Soy sauce, butter, and you don't need you only need a tiny bit. It's because if you're a vegetarian or a vegan, you only need a tiny bit. Then I just took some Chinese stir fry. So, first thing you want to do, always turn the pan on. So I'm going to add the rice. Just spatula. So, just stir it for a little while. Oh, I forgot to add the butter. I always forget butter. I'm gonna go get a butter knife. Like I said, don't need a lot. Just probably this much, not too much. Then just want to stir all that up. Get the butter on the bottom of the pan so it'll melt. Then you just want to stir up the rice. I'm gonna do a footage of while I'm stirring the rice, just so you can see what it looks like. Okay. You want to get all the big parts into smaller, just regular rice. And you just want to stir that up for a while until it's hot. Then might just leave it there for a few seconds. You always want to add soy sauce to the rice. Just adds a bit of flavor. I like soy sauce in a lot of my meals. Just add that. And then you just want to mix it up. Get the soy sauce all in the rice. I'm going to add a bit more. Okay, soy sauce is in. Now, so you want to add the meat first. I like adding vegetables. And I might not use that because this might just be enough. So I'm going to dump that in. So I'm going to grab it. And then, yum. Just want to mix that up. Mix it up. You want to get it all with the rice. And you want everything to be at a good temperature. Not too cold, not too hot. It's actually a bit okay. If it's a bit hot, just let it cool down for a minute or two. Just mix it up. Then I'm gonna need a bit more, so I'm going to add my veggie mix. You just want to add your preferred amount. Let me open this thing. And if you worry that your food's getting too hot while you're getting all the ingredients, shut off the heat or bring it to a low simmer. I didn't even know that I knew what a simmer was, or a low simmer. So, Just got my veggies. I'm just gonna pour in my preferred amount. There she goes. Yum. So we're going to mix that up, and I'm gonna film myself doing it. Wait, no. You know what I'm gonna do right here. So you just want to mix it up till everything's unfrozen and heat it up to your amount again. That's when you know it's good, and then the meal will be done. So I'm going to stir it up, see you when it's all done. So food's all cooked up. You can always add in like more sauce or more veggies if you feel like you just want more. Mines are usually pretty big. My parents usually doubt I can eat all of it, but I usually do. So that's it. I just gotta get a plate, and then I'll tell you guys how it tastes. Turned off the stove, and I'll see you guys when I taste it. Okay, I got all my food prepared, and I'm gonna try a bite of it.
It's passion fruit maple, and it's my favorite flavor.
It's a different flavor.
I get all the
No, it's not
ingredients.
Switch, it's kombucha.
How many people want Switch?
You guys can have it. Conrad!
Now some meat.
Is that kombucha? But how high did
Hot.
Yes. How high did
Conrad, do you want to eat? Coco!
And that's mine.
Let me chew. So, super good. Love the rice, love the veggies, love the meat. Right amount of soy. It was a good sauce in the stir fry that I love. The flavors are perfect. Super good meal. I'm gonna end off the video there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.